fire.
Yo, I ain't here for the money, I ain't here for the fame. Though it might be nice to own a jet plane, I'ma do it all for you. Come along and see it's true, but the world is pretty cold.
What's up, what's up? I'm your builder guy, and on today's episode of the Mustang rebuild, we got the front radiator support here going on right now. We got the crash bar removed. We got to bend this little ear back, and on the back on the quarter panel, we got some welding today, body work, and possibly paint. Check that out. We're gonna go ahead and time lapse this. We got this pretty much even here. We got some screws going in here, matching up. This is actually my first time seeing a quarter panel being replaced, so it's kind of cool. Quarter panel is on, boys. Look at that. Bondo, primer, almost ready for paint. Let's look how, check this out. Look at that. That's what I'm talking about. Looking really good. Next step is this entire subframe needs to come down because of that bend on the trailing arm. So let's get that down, let's get it back up, get these wheels on, and off to paint she goes. Got the old subframe out. Show you where the damage was at. If it was sitting like this, right here, this was bent to smithereens, and we couldn't bend it back. So instead of having a headache later on when we're trying to do alignment, we just swapped it out. This thing does have the performance pack on it, so we had to do some adjustment on the bushings on the rear that holds the diff, but we got it in, those two brackets there that support it. We used the pallet jack to kind of get it up. I'm gonna go ahead and yeet it on up, and then put it on wheels, and then get it to the body shop, well, to the paint booth now. Well, boys, something happened with the memory card, and all that footage that we got of it putting on the wheels and then driving it out and bringing it here to the body shop are all gone. So we're here at the body shop now, and check out these wheels, how good they look on it. Oh crap, I gotta turn down this music real quick. There we go, it's down. Look at these wheels. Bumpers are painted, looking really good. We did have a problem with the fender. We could not locate one anywhere. I contacted the dealer, I couldn't find one across the entire United States. So we had to wait a little bit, but I did find one from LKQ, and it looks pretty good. Colors, the car's in different colors right now. It looks really cool like this. Check this out. I probably shouldn't even paint it, just drive it like this, right? Alright boys, we're painted. Look, standing right next to the old Mustang. Here's the new one. I don't like that gap on the left side, on the passenger side. Yeah, I gotta figure that out for sure. But so far it's looking good, boys. Look at that. Let's see how that bumper looks. Oh, that's pretty. Nice and painted. Now we gotta take it to the shop, put on all these little accessories that go on the front bumper, headlights, rear bumper, trunk, and see where we are with that. Also, we missed a bent strut on this side right here. You can see, yeah, that's a bent strut 100%. This side is nice and flush. So definitely got to get that. And you see this, that just looks wrong. Oh, okay, never mind. It's just we're missing some brackets. All right, let's take her to the shop and get her put together, at least the exterior. Yeah, this is dope. All right, let's assemble these bumpers, put on these headlights, grills, and change out that front right. Yeah, I could see a little bit more now since we're inside. It still looks pretty good. I'm not too upset. It's gonna need a little buff for sure. Yeah. See, you have this and then you have this. Orange peel is way off, but I think that's from the buff. The color is different for sure. We'll see. We'll see how this goes. All right guys, we're back at Metal Mike's shop because this headlight does not line up correctly to the bumper, and that is because this apron here is pushed up and towards the engine. So framework is a must because I hate gaps. So we're gonna leave this car here. Metal Mike is gonna do his magic, and when we get back it's gonna be nice and pretty. We're gonna put the interior together, put some new tires on, alignment, and she is done. All right boys, we're back from Metal Mike's shop. We got this corner looking 100% better. Look at that. Don't pay attention to the paint too much. I know it doesn't look right on camera, it's 10 times worse, but I'm gonna get it right before I end up selling the car. I'm gonna do some paint corrections, and some transitions need some work. Inside, we are putting everything together. We just have the seats left and the headliner. Airbags are in. We're gonna make sure everything is gonna be good to go. Huge shout out to Tune Plus, Adam over there at Tune Plus. He was the one that tuned this car, and he tells me it's 450, I believe, at the wheels. So it's more horsepower than the Ford GT we tore apart to use for parts for this one. Also, these rear tires, we need to get some new ones. So before this video ends, we're definitely gonna see some smoke here on the back. These Ford GT taillights, a lot of you guys commented, said you guys don't like them. I personally think they're really cool. Gives it a nice nice different look. I really like them. Everything turned out pretty darn good, if I may say so myself. If you want to know the total cost, I think I'm about 14 grand on this, and I think that's a pretty good deal. All right, we got the airbags replaced. Now for the final finale, show you a clean dash with no lights. Let's take off the brake. Look at that. Now that's a rebuild. When the speedometer is nice and clean from no lights. Now let's turn off traction control. Where's the traction control? And let's start hitting it. Let's reject that call. All right, let's spin some wheels. That's it for the burnout. That's it for the rebuild. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I appreciate it. And stick around for the next project. Should be coming around soon. All right, peace out.